Hello, all. If you've gotten to this Google form, that means that you have read the pages in the textbook and you've watched all 3 videos. If you haven't done those things, you need to stop this video right now and go do those things. If you do not have a textbook, you need to email Mrs. Farkas right now in order to get a textbook, because you're not going to be able to do future assignments if you don't have a textbook. And honestly, I don't know how you did yesterday's assignment if you didn't have a textbook. Anyway, if you've done all those things, read the textbook, watched the videos, then just listen along as I read through these questions for you. So, first question, genetic technologies have allowed humans to make organisms with desirable traits. True or false? Now, every question after that first one, you have the same 3 options. It's going to be selective breeding, cloning, or genetic engineering. So I'm not going to read those options every time I read a question. I'm just going to read through the questions. But have it known that your only 3 options are selective breeding, cloning, or genetic engineering. This gene technology involves choosing parents with particular characteristics to breed together and produce offspring with more desirable characteristics. The process of making an identical copy of an organism, cell, or gene. When genes from one organism are transferred into the DNA of another organism, it is called. A gene from bacteria is inserted into the DNA of corn plants to make the corn resistant to insect pests. This is an example of. When people choose to breed a Labrador Retriever with a poodle to make Labradoodles, this is known as. From obesity to substance abuse, from anxiety to cancer, genetically modified mice are used extensively in research as models of human disease. Researchers changed the DNA of mice to develop a strain with the exact genetic mutations necessary to model a particular human disorder. Which gene technology is used to develop these modified mice? Researchers can often spend years developing a mouse with the exact genetic mutations needed to model a particular human disorder. What gene technology would allow them to make exact copies of these mice for more efficient and effective research? Belgian Blue is a breed of beef cattle. The Belgian Blue has a natural mutation in the myostatin gene, which mutates a protein that would normally slow down muscle development. This mutation results in an extremely lean, hyper-sculpted, ultramuscular physique called double muscling. Cows with the mutation have been chosen by humans to breed to produce offspring with the double muscle trait. What type of gene technology is used? CRISPR is a technology that can be used to edit genes. CRISPR is a way of finding a specific bit of DNA inside a cell to be altered. What type of gene technology is CRISPR? Which type of gene technology is also known as artificial selection? Which type of gene technology has both pros and cons? Is it selective breeding, cloning, genetic engineering, or all of the above? And that's it.